Hello, folks.
Hey y'all.
It's another early morning, and we're heading to the workout facility.
AKA Jim.
Badman Nugget Gym. Auntie. Workout facility. You see? Yeah. So today we just go again elliptical.
I want to do some arms and I want to do some shoulders and I want to do some back. Every time I have an event to go to, I want to work my arms so that they can look toned in 3 days.
Show and tonnage. So we're gonna do with regular 30 minutes on the elliptical, and then we're gonna do some arms, some shoulders and stuff.
Some weights.
Get up this morning, eat a banana, some almond milk, green juice. Where you put my green juice?
A lot of spinach, 2 banana, ginger and OJ. That's it.
Yeah. And yesterday was a meat-free day.
What did we eat? Oh,
I had
the flatbread thingy.
a vegetarian flatbread thing for dinner, like a pizza type of thing, but no meat. And I had some fries for lunch. And in the morning I think I had some almond milk for breakfast. So today, I don't know where I go on yet. I
Might eat some strawberries.
might eat some no, today Tuesday.
I was gonna
Today
eat
Wednesday.
2 piece. Yeah, today Wednesday.
Yeah, so I don't know where I go on. But the whole idea is to couple with the exercise. You want to make sure say your body up, you see me? And you know overdo it.
I need you guys' opinion. What do you think I should eat to break my 1 month no meat fast that I'm on?
1 whole month tonight in meat, you know.
What do you think I should eat? I want to eat a nice plate of.
Strawberries with
That's
pig
what
tail.
I'm thinking, but it has
Glory.
to be nice. Because if it's not nice, then I'm not gonna ever eat meat again. Like I'm gonna be like, it wasn't even worth it. So it has to be nice.
Anyway, we run through the little exercise, yeah. Big up to all the folks who are loving your gym shorts and working with us through the progress. And big up all those folks who, you know, them know so we just normal ordinary people, but them still follow we on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and all of them something there. Yeah. Just been featured on Grace Jerk Fest. So that's a big deal for me. You know, so if you're in Florida, South Florida,
You know they have one in New York too, but I don't know when.
them having a New York, Baltimore, Atlanta, West Palm, Orlando. So them have it now a couple of places, but them call we and we work with them this year. So God is good, eh? Anyway, big up on yourself. You don't know, Yardie. Try to spend as much time as possible on the elliptical machine whenever you go to the gym, because it is the most comprehensive workout you can do. I promise you that. Today we're focusing on shoulders and upper body, and so the machines are where we're going to focus today. Wifie says she wants to get her hands so toned, so we have to put up effort, you understand? So this morning we're doing machines. After the machines, we went into shoulders, you know, and you want to work your biceps and your triceps using this method. Wifie make it look so good. muscles like me, you know, you have to make them pop, you understand? You see there, watch it. Watch it. Just use up the muscles then, you see me? Is me alone see that little old man there do the exercise the wrong way? Watch it. Or I wonder if I threw the wife then over right there. So. Yes man, working the arms to the max. We did triceps before and now we're heading into the bicep section now. Yes. Push it. Of course, you know, wife, you have to work out the legs because, hey, legs is what it's about. Yes, this leg machine is no joke. I would have decided to finish up with some more shoulders, you know, as part of our warm down here. Our warm, what you call it? Cool down here, not warm down, cool down. At the end of the day, it's not even so much what you do, but that you spend some time in the gym sweating, because everything is amounting to the amount of sweat you can sweat. The truth is, I'm feeling way better every time I find myself in the gym. I'm feeling much better. Wife, you have to do some twist, yeah, and work the waist. And I tell you the truth, me have to join her because my waist needs some working. The belly needs to twist out. So this is one of the workouts that ladies have to do. If you really want to get that shape, that figure, yes, you want to push and do this exercise. You know, it's about the gluteus maximus. Yes. To get those buns of steel, yes, and to get the legs popping, you know, muscles up and tone up. Not too much muscle though, but tone nice. That's what you want to do. See there. So that's our workout, guys. So she force me to end up all of the exercise. Yeah. See you next week for another gym shorts. If they have suggestions, comments, you know, drop them in the box and we'll do our best on site and for the way you say. You see?